Hello, my name is Casey Griffith. I'm a planning student in Professor Murray's Intro to Urban and Regional Planning course. It is 7 o'clock on August 1st here at 2908 Ridgeway Street, Tallahassee, Florida, the proposed site for the Community Rehabilitation Center and Garden. At this site, we will address the need of a place where individuals who are struggling with addiction can come to build a sense of normalcy as they learn how to function in society after addiction. The communes located on this property provide an existing structure which living quarters, counseling, classes, chores, and gardening can be utilized to involve each patient in the process of recovery. This project will provide much needed assistance to the community of Tallahassee. In Leon County in 2008, 41% of the county's middle school students reported trying alcohol or illicit drugs. By high school, those numbers increased to 60%. Adults typically maintain patterns of substance abuse developed in adolescence. A 2010 survey by Leon County found that 34% of adults in the area abused alcohol, illicit drugs, or both. It is important that rehabilitation centers are available to the public and close to a nurturing community. Through the rehabilitation center, patients will be able to work in the community garden. They will care for the garden year-round and also work with volunteers to share produce grown in the garden with the community. Patients will also learn how to cook healthy meals using the crops they grow so that they learn holistic ways to create a healthier life for themselves. One concern with the project is the possibility of drug use and crime from the patients in the rehabilitation center, though it is unlikely. A larger concern is the cost of renovating the current infrastructure on the property. Overall, this location provides the perfect opportunity for a rehabilitation center of this nature and to operate. Faith Farm Ministries is a similar program to the proposed rehab center, which has 3 separate locations across South Florida. With campuses in Fort Lauderdale, Boynton Beach, and Okeechobee, Faith Farm Ministries is able to reach a large number of patients and affect many communities through work programs that include farming and working at thrift shops. This program provides a good example of a rehabilitation center that helps patients cultivate their bodies, minds, and spirit through counseling and learning and partaking in hard work ethic that will carry on over to a better life. The property at 2908 Ridgeway Street in Tallahassee, Florida is a perfect location for my proposed community rehabilitation center and garden. The proposed site already has existing structures which provide sufficient space for boarding patients, classrooms, kitchens, and any other amenities necessary. There's a lot of open space for gardening and other activities. This project will serve to fight addiction within Tallahassee and Leon County while providing a way for patients to assimilate back into society and participate and connect with the public. The Community Rehabilitation Center and Garden is similar to those of the Faith Farm Ministries, which have been successful throughout South Florida. Thank you. Please take a look at my poster if you are interested in learning more about my project.